So if you saw my other video, the cross one, and you didn't know how to do it because it was too blurry, well, now you can do it again. Now if you want to do the cross, fold the bottom all the way to the top. And it's gonna be like this. It's gonna show like this. Yeah. Well, you could do it a 3x7 rectangle, but want to know how to make a 3x7 rectangle? You get a ruler and just make like 3 inches and then 15. Not like long, like the other one. But since you have that, now you fold it up like this. Now it's gonna show like a crease right there. Then you fold the bottom to the crease and the top to the crease. It's gonna look like this. Then you do it again, but this time get the little edges. Then you put it right there. You put it like this. Oh no! Look it. Since you have it like this, you have it like this. You have it like. This, it's gonna be like this. Then you put this right here. Hold it like hold it like this. I'm gonna show them the other side. I go to the back. Put it like this. Then it looks like it's together, but then you see the right there, right there in trust, but do not go right there where IN is, because first start with the T, then you default on it or behind it. It's like this. Now you want to match this thing to the T of the trust, like behind the E. Now it's like this. You fold like this and you put it down for you to see if it's on T, and mine is in T. Then you fold it back. It's gonna look like this. Then you fold it down like this, and then it's supposed to match up on the E. Okay, the E. Then you put. Now you fold this. You know how it's longer? Well, like this. You know how it's longer? You just get this, fold it up, and just crease it like this. And it could stand only if you crease it like too much. It could stand like this. Wait, I'm gonna try to make it stand where everybody can watch. And see how interesting it is. You could give this to your sister, your mom, whichever, your dad. Okay, it could stand. It's gonna look like this. I know it looks small, but you can still give it to people that you love or you like. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe and like the video and turn off the notification bar, the bell, and comment down below if you subscribe or not, and you liked. Okay, bye.